Up. You ready, Dixie? Coleman Lake, here we come. Let's go, baby. Ready? So this is the Chakalaka watershed, about 2 miles south of the Pinky Burns trailhead. There's the dam, and it's just a big horseshoe or L-shaped lake, and might be TR and my favorite fishing spots. What is a favorite fishing spot? Anywhere you catch fish, right?
Good times, good company, cold beer, and tight lines. That's a good fishing spot.
That's right. That's right. So, from the trail, I want to give everybody an update, let you know what we're doing today. I say we, because it's always me and the girl, Dixie, and TR's with me today. So it should be a really fun day. We're on the Pinhoti from Pinky Burns trailhead, going south to Coleman Lake, and gonna spend the night there, and then maybe do a little in the morning, but just making a short weekend out of it. And it's a beautiful day. It's like in the 70s, and wow, it's really nice. Today's November the 21st. We're almost 3.5 miles into our trip. Walking the ridges. So, should be a beautiful, beautiful day. Our next stop will be to pick up some water when we get down by the creek. All right, let's go, girl. Hey, quit eating that. Go. No, quit eating it. Well, Mr. Jones, how do you feel about that 1.8 miles to go?
Well, my feet weren't soaking wet. I didn't still have water dripping through my crack. I feel a lot better about it.
You and I both. I don't have the water dripping though. Hey.
I think she feels pretty good about it.
Dixie, you good? Huh? You good, Dixie? Yeah, I know Dixie's good. Look at there. That's a rough day right there. Look at that back. All scraped up. She's ready to go get some chow.
Yeah.
Let's go get it. So, we're getting close to Coleman Lake. It looks like we've walked into a controlled burn. Pretty recent. You think I should maybe do this next time as well? Maybe you'd be okay with that? Huh? You tell me what you think now. Huh? She's just about to eat us out of house and home tonight. Huh? This girl's gonna be fat. You're gonna be a fat dog. You hear me? You have eat everything that we've got that you can eat. Huh? Are you sure you're gonna be all right with this? Huh? Peanut butter wraps. You know that's my favorite breakfast, right? Yeah. Almost every morning I take peanut butter wrap to work. That's my breakfast. Yep. It is really good when I stick a banana in it. That's it right there. You're done. You can lick my fingers, but that's it. No finger licking. You out of here? Good girl. Lots of headroom. That's TR's light, which is pretty cool. And then down on the bottom, right here's my sleeping beauty. She's about as snuggled up as she can be. So, same here for me. I ain't swimming out there. She's not a swimmer now.